Hi everybody, back again. Yeah, seems to have this wave, simplex wave, which it's quite a bit of things can be done. So I kind of like to put them on the circuit. Here it's a double helix. Okay, look at that. It sounds. It moves according to the sounds perfectly. So you can regulate it with a screwdriver on the pot here, and still have I have the SDA and ACL, pin 7, pin 6, 3 volt power for the sound sensor, and 5 volt here, 5 volt for the OLED takes 5 volt. Okay, so there you can see it's a SDA on 7 and ACL on 6, pin 6, and you got a wire begin because ESP32 does not know which one is SDA or ACL, so you got to tell him. Okay, so there we are. These are the code. Okay, sorry. These are the code for the double helix. Okay, it's the same principle. Simplex Noise.h, which is the library, and it's still the same. Okay, exactly the same. This is standard. So for the moment it's a 2D, you can replace it for a 3D, which uses more memory. Okay, so the main things that you're going to change when you program it, you can make your own here. This is the code that can make it different waves, practically. Okay, so, and then if you want to copy it, remember what I said, you go to these 3 dots here, you set a new tab and you type here Simplex Noise.h, and then you copy and paste this one from the GIMP tab into your file. Okay, so it's pretty simple once you know. Alright, and yeah, there's not much to say except for remember the wire begins 7.6 is, if you change your pin you got to change this one, and yeah, the rest it's you have to do a hash include, and then a these 2 point here. I can't get it into my head now. What's the name? What we call it? It's one of those simplex noise. Okay, so don't put this one, this type of over or under, whatever you call it. Use this one as I put it here. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's not much. It's same recurring codes, but the quality of the sound, you can make it double. You can double the particle, so it'll get more light. But I think you don't like it too. I don't think it's nice if it's too thick, and it vibrates better with sound, you know, as you go through. Okay, I think this covers everything. Yeah, I can see the adjustment. How does it go here? See? Until you make it thinner or larger. But if you make it thinner, when you speak, when you talk, when you pick up sound, then it enlarges itself. So if it's already larger, then it can expand more than that. So the effect is better if it's thinner. Okay, you have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye.